Good morning, kids. How are you all today? Hope you all are fit and fine. So, kids, do you remember which number we had learned yesterday? Yes, number 7. Kids, today once again we will learn the counting of different objects related to number 7. We will do one activity related to number 7 and also learn how to write number 7 in your notebook. But before that, we will do a quick revision of numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Kids, which number is this? 0. What comes after 0? 1. What comes after 1? 2. What comes after 2? 3. What comes after 3? 4. What comes after 4? 5. What comes after 5? 6. We will do the counting of different objects related to number 7. Now we will count these pens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 pens. Kids, now we will count these colored pens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 colored pens. Wow, kids, what are these? These are coins. So let's start counting coins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 coins. Kids, what are these? These are chalks. So let's start counting chalks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 chalks. Now it's time for the activity. Are you all excited? Yes? See, kids, I have made some flashcards in which I have made objects and wrote numbers. We have to count the objects and circle the correct number. So let's start the activity. Kids, what are these? These are chocolates. So let's start counting. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 chocolates. So kids, which number is this? 2. Which number is this? 4. Which number is this? 3. So kids, there are 3 chocolates. So we will circle 3 number. Kids, what are these? Cups. So let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many cups are there? 7. So we will circle 7 number. Kids, what are these? These are smiling faces. So let's start counting smiling faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 smiling faces. So kids, which number is this? 4. Which number is this? 7. Which number is this? 6. So we will circle 7 number. as there are 7 smiling faces. Kids, what is this? An umbrella. How many umbrellas are there? Only one umbrella. So we will circle one number. Which number is this? 2. Which number is this? 3. Which number is this? 1. So we will circle one number. Kids, what are these? These are joker faces. So let's start counting joker faces. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 joker faces. So we will circle 4 number. Which number is this? 5. Which number is this? 4. And which number is this? 3. So we will circle 4 number as there are 4 joker faces. Kids, what are these? These are raindrops. So let's start counting raindrops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we will circle 6 number. Which number is this? 3. Which number is this? 6. So we will circle 6 number. Kids, what are these? These are gifts. So let's start counting gifts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 gifts. So we will circle 7 number. Which number is this? 6. Which number is this? 5. Which number is this? 7. So we will circle 7 number as there are 7 gifts. Wow kids, what are these? These are stars. So let's start counting stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 stars. So we will circle 7 number. Which number is this? 2. Which number is this? 5. Which number is this? 7. So we will circle 7 number as there are 7 stars. Now we will learn how to write number 7 in your notebook. Kids, which date is today? Yes. 1. And which month started? Yes, August. It means 8. And 2020. 1st August 20th. And which number we are learning today? Number 7. So let's start. We will start from the middle of the box. Slipping line, slanting line, touch the blue line. 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 Start from the middle of the box. Slipping line, slanting line, touch the blue line. 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 See kids, like this way you will write number 7 in your notebook. I hope kids you all have enjoyed the video and also learned So many things related to number 7. So kids, practice it at home. See you soon. Bye bye. Take care.